Today I'll be teaching you beginner F2L in CFOP. The first beginner case. So first you look at the corner and you're going to insert it like this. And you also notice this pair comes with it. And the pair is from here. So when you do this move, it attaches this pair with it. Then you can insert. Let's do it again. Then you check the color. The green goes here, so that's how you recognize it. And the white corner is this side. Then you move it up, then put it in. It's the same case, but it's different. And the reason why is that this edge is supposed to be here, so you can do the insert. But that's not possible now. So you have to move the edge to here. And the way you do that is doing R prime, U, R. Then you can insert it by doing R, U, prime. This is a different case, but it also looks similar to the last case. You see that the corner is here, then you insert these two, but when you do it, it doesn't match. So it has the same sticker. When this case shows up, you do R prime, U2, R. Then it matches. Then you just insert it. Same case, except you see that the edge is here instead of here. So when you try to do the case, it doesn't work. So yeah, gotta move it. Then move it here. Then you can do the case by doing R prime, U2, R. And rotate, then move, then insert. It's the same case, except there's a big difference. There's one big block that's already solved. And if you do this, U2, it breaks it out. So to save that, you should either rotate and do the same thing to insert here, or you can do a F move. It's the same thing as the R move, you just move it. At F move, then you just do a U2 like that, then you can move it back. It's the same concept of the R move, then you just insert it in like that, or you can insert it like this or like this. Corner or edge is stuck in the bottom layer. This is what you should do. So you see that the corner or edge is on the bottom layer. And the way you should move it to the top for the corner is you should do R, U, R prime. And if you're trying to do R prime moves, be aware that you might change the back slot. Corner is stuck in the top layer. This is what you should do. You should have to do a R, U to move away, then move down. Then you took out the corner. Corner or edge is stuck. You can do many things. So in this case, a lot of spots are blocked, like R prime, F, but you can do multiple things. And I recommend you to do a R move because it's a lot easier than an F. So you can move here. Then you do R prime, U prime, R prime. One of the special cases. And this case is flipped edge. This can easily be inserted without just taking this away, then putting it out like that. Instead of doing that, you can do this easy moves, repeated moves like this. So you do U, R, U prime, R prime. Then you repeat it again, U R U prime R prime. Then do it again. U R U prime R prime. Same case on the left side. Move it away. Insert it in like that. Push it here. Then move it like this to make it. Push it away. Then you can insert it.